Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to find downloaded YouTube videos on your iPhone. If you have already downloaded YouTube videos and you want to view that videos offline, then this video is for you. First of all, open your YouTube application and hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you go there, you will see this page. From here, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see an option of downloads. Simply hit on that. Now if you turn off your Wi-Fi as well, then you can easily view these downloaded videos. So in this way, you can easily find out downloaded videos on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.